up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm doing a wig haul. I did do a wig shop with me, so if you enjoy shop with me videos, check out my channel. It's the video right before this. Now, the haul video is something people often ask me for. They're like, Peaches, can you actually do a haul of what you got when you got home so we could see? So that's what I'm going to do. Now, WIC is, those of you who aren't already aware, WIC is a government program. It is for women, infants, and children, okay? You have to be pregnant, breastfeeding. They only help you if you breastfeed for the first year. Pregnant, breastfeeding, what else? Or the child has to be under age 4 and under. So once they hit 5, they no longer qualify for WIC. So if you meet those categories, you may want to apply. There are income restrictions. However, those income restrictions are higher than food stamps. A lot of times you may not qualify for food stamps, but you can qualify for WIC. And if you learn how to coupon and BOGO. Oh, wow. Thank you, pretty girl. Gorgeous made me this. Did you use my baby lotion on here? Looks like it. What did you use?
Mommy, I was baby lotion.
Baby lotion. Thank you for being honest. All right, give me a second. I'm making a video, okay? It's beautiful. Thank you so much. His eczema lotion is $10, Lord Jesus, for a little thing. But the thought that counts. So, anywho, for those of you who aren't aware, you may qualify even if you don't get food stamps. Sometimes your income may be too high for food stamps, but you can still qualify for WIC. You can also get food stamps in WIC. So, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding a baby under age 1, or have a child, you want an apple? Hold on, wait, type in my video. Or have a child under the age 5, then I would definitely say look into getting WIC. You can get WIC and food stamps together as well. But let me show you what I got. These cornflakes, they were buy one, get one free. I had 84 ounces of cereal left on my WIC. Pretty girl, wait a moment. I had 84 ounces of WIC cereal left. So I decided to go ahead and take advantage of this sale because my WIC was going to expire in 2 more days. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes of cornflakes. And then after I bought the cornflakes, here in Florida, we are a true BOGO state. It was buy one, get one free. I could get Frosted Flakes for free. So I got 7 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes of Frosted Flakes. I got the regular Frosted Flakes. I only got 4 boxes of those. And then I got the Frosted Flakes with marshmallows, which I've never had those before. I don't know if the children are going to like them. But I got 3 boxes of those just because. Now, for any of you who like, what are you going to do with all those cereal? I am a mom of 5. Also, cereal take a long time to expire. These don't expire until January 10th, 2022. These expire February 27th, 2022, and these in March of 2022. You never know where you're going to be financially, so I save all of my cereal and things like that. I only give them away about a month before they're about to expire. I will donate them if we really haven't used them, but most of the time, we use what we have. Next, I got some milk. I had 1 jar of whole milk remaining. Talk to Gorgeous because she's just up here talking away. If you haven't already subscribed to my daughter's YouTube channel, she just reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. But I had 1 gallon of whole milk left. I had 7 gallons of 1% milk left and 1/2 a gallon of 1% milk. I only bought 2 gallons, so I still got 5 gallons of 1% milk to get before the 27th. So 2 days from now, it's going to expire if I don't use it. We're going to see if we use these. If we don't, then I probably won't go back and get the other milk. So yeah, that's how it works. Next, I got apple juice. I had 4 64 ounces of juice on my WIC. These aren't on BOGO this week, so I used all 4. Got 4 of those apple juices. Next, for my 48-ounce juice, I got the Tropicana No Pulp little individual cartons. My kids love this. I love it. It's convenient in the morning for Gorgeous and Baby when they're home. They can get orange juice out of the refrigerator to go with their breakfast, and they love drinking out of the straws. I would highly recommend this. You can get grape juice, white grape juice, apple juice, and orange juice with your WIC. You can get this kind. So I got 2 of those for my 48 ounces. I had 2 48 ounces, so boom, boom. Next, I thought I had 4 cans of black beans, but I only got 3. I might have one in the car somewhere. But I got some black beans. On WIC, you can get you can get canned beans or dry beans. I always get the canned beans. I really be liking Goya black beans, but they didn't have any. They were sold out, so I got this brand. Comment down below if you use this kind. Next, I got peanut butter. So for the peanut butter, I could have got more beans or peanut butter. I got my 3 peanut butters instead of 3 bags of beans. I got 1 Jiffy creamy butter, and then I got 2 Peter Pan creamy peanut butter because Choice doesn't like crunchy. After that, I got some whole grain pasta. Normally, I buy these when they're on BOGO. However, their BOGO ended last night on this type of noodle, so I wasn't able to get anything for free. I just got all 5 of these, and then I got my 2 Kraft American Deluxe cheeses, my yogurt. So when the kids are 1 or older, they get low fat yogurt. So I got that yogurt, and I got whole milk yogurt. Next, I got my yogurt. I got 2 strawberry yogurts, low fat, and then 1 vanilla whole milk yogurt. I got some bananas, 2 dozens of eggs, the large Publix brand. You do get eggs on your wick. I got some apples. I bought 7 apples because I'm a family of 7. I'm like, okay, let's make sure everybody can get at least 1 apple. Then I got watermelon because I love watermelon. The kids love watermelon. That was $3.12. A whole watermelon at Publix was $10.19. I was like, oop, not gonna pay that. And lastly, I got these oranges right here. Somebody asked me to do a video showing what kind of food you can make using what you have on WIC, but honestly, it's a lot. You can have a bowl of cereal. You can make you a smoothie. Like I can make a banana smoothie. I can make me an apple smoothie if I want it. I can make me an egg and cheese sandwich. I could do some egg and noodle. I feel like the possibilities are endless. I could have got bread instead of pasta. Then I could have made a peanut butter sandwich, peanut butter and banana sandwich, things of that nature. Comment down below if you like this video. I have a lot of questions about WIC. I get them all the time. You can be married and get WIC. You can live with your baby father and get WIC. You can add them on to your WIC so they can go to your WIC appointments. Right now, they're all virtual, at least in Florida. So you just call them on the phone and they'll sign you up, do your appointment over the phone. For those of you who are looking to start getting WIC, I highly recommend it. It saves you so much money. My kids never run out of cereal, never run out of milk. Also, what else I was going to tell y'all? The benefits are not transferable. Like they don't transfer to other people and they don't roll over. So whatever you don't use, you lose. So try to use it all if possible. Sometimes you can get your extra milk and give it to friends and family. If you want your kids go to your mom's house, send some milk over to your mom's house so she always have milk. But I hope this video was interesting and helpful to y'all. Let me know if y'all like haul videos and I'll keep doing them. I know people always requesting them. I feel like hauls are weird. Like I just went and bought the stuff. Y'all really want to see me come home and show you what I bought when you just watch me buy? Anyways, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Hit her like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like, hit her like you like. Hit her like for your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like, go left to the right, go like.